It is safest to start seeding in March. After March 10th, the risk of frost should have passed. In February, we can prepare home seedlings, which we then plant into the ground. However, it should be remembered that some seedlings need a lot of light, and on windowsills, where there is little light, they may be slender and elongated, then they usually die, and sowing should be repeated at a later date. High temperature and a small amount of light will make the seedlings stretch out, so if you do not have, for example, a lighting lamp and appropriate conditions, it is better to wait until March. Those vegetables that like the cold, e.g. brassica, and grow badly on the windowsill, are better to be sown in the ground and covered with a temporary tunnel or non-woven agrotextile to protect against frost. The yield may be delayed, but the plants will be healthier and stronger. In February, as long as the soil is frosty, you can prepare the soil for sowing. Clean the remains, dig it over, and feed it with compost. At the end of February, you can sow parsley, carrots, early varieties, lamb's lettuce, spinach, and garlic straight into the ground. Peppers tolerate the cultivation on the windowsill well, and sown in February, give an excellent harvest. In mid-February, we also prepare seedlings of early brassica varieties, cauliflower, broccoli, kohlrabi, and tomato, lettuce. Root and celery, leek, onion, watermelon, artichoke, cardan, and broad beans, but in my opinion, broad beans grow much better when sown directly into the ground, and not everyone has enough space at home to properly guide the seedlings of large vegetables. Broccoli sown in February will be planted in April. The onion, sown into the ground, will be put in at the beginning of May. We will put the cauliflower from the February sowing into the ground at the end of April. Kohlrabi, white and red cabbage, and Beijing cabbage, the same date as cauliflower. Artichoke, celery, and celeriac sown in February, we will not transfer to the ground until after May 15th. Fennel from February sowing into the ground should be planted in May, while butter lettuce sown in February, you can transfer to the ground in March. All these vegetables can also be sown in March. In February, we can also grow sprouts for consumption as well as microgreens.